everyone, I have the molecule formaldehyde, also known as H2CO, and I'm going to be explaining why it looks like this and the properties that it has. So if you come a little bit closer, you can see that right here, this oxygen has a double bond, and these two hydrogen have single bonds because of the single and double bonds demonstrated there. So the reason for this, I'll sketch out the Lewis structure. Is due to the octet rule. And the octet rule means that the atoms carbon, oxygen, and nitrogen and fluoride must have 8 electrons surrounding them. So this carbon has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 because of the 8 bonds around, the 4 bonds around it. And oxygen only has 2, so it gets 2 sets of lone pair, giving it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, because each bond counts as 2. Then this molecule, as you can see, is going to be polar because you have a high amount of electronegativity, and electronegativity is the amount of force being expelled onto the electrons surrounding the atom. This oxygen has a lot more electronegativity than both of these hydrogens, making it pull the molecule in a way that leads it to have a polar shape, so it's not symmetrical throughout this. This looks like a flat image, and in reality it is, because it's a trigonal planar, meaning it has 3 electron pairs, 1 the carbon to the oxygen, 1 the carbon to this hydrogen, and then the third, this carbon to this hydrogen. And even though this is a more electronegative atom, the resulting bond angles are going to be the same, and they're going to be 120, 120, and 120. And the shape of this molecule, since there are no lone pairs being represented on this central carbon atom, is going to be also trigonal planar.